Stop flying. Stop editing. Drop your controller. Because what I'm about to reveal is not just the next evolution of FPV, it's a technological coup that completely rewrites the rules for aerial cinematography. DJI is about to launch the drone nobody thought was possible, and they are rushing it to market for one critical reason. We are talking about the DJI Avata 360. The Fusion Machine. The first single drone that combines high-speed, protected FPV flight with professional-grade, full spherical 360-degree capture. For 30 minutes, I'm giving you an exclusive leak-by-leak breakdown of every single feature, every critical spec, and the looming deadline that makes this the most urgent drone release of the decade. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Stick around, because if you leave early, you will be making an expensive choice on a piece of gear that is already obsolete. Let's start with the central pillar of this device, the camera system. This is where the magic and the leaks reside. The Avata 360 isn't slapping an existing 360 camera onto an FPV frame. It's an integrated dual camera system featuring dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. Think about that. Two large sensors, operating in tandem, allowing for native 8K 360-degree video at a smooth 50 frames per second. This level of spherical clarity in a drone this size is unprecedented. But here is the genius move that makes it a true hybrid, the rotating gimbal. Leaks confirm a camera housing that can physically rotate 90 degrees. This allows the pilot to instantly switch between the immersive 360-degree dual-lens mode for post-production reframing and a dedicated forward-facing FPV mode that captures traditional, stabilized 4K footage at a hyper-smooth 120 frames per second. You are no longer choosing between an FPV drone and a 360 camera. You're getting two pro-level machines in one sub-400-gram chassis. This versatility is its killer feature. The dual sensors and 8K processing require serious power, which brings us to the battery and flight time. The original Avata had its limits. The leaks for the Avata 360 reveal a massive, confirmed capacity jump with a 38.67 watt-hour battery, representing a crucial 26% capacity increase over the Avata 2. Sources suggest this translates into a realistic flight time of up to 25 minutes. For an 8K FPV drone, that is a monumental step forward, giving creators the latitude they need to capture those complex, reframed aerial shots. Now let's talk about safety, which is always DJI's ace card. The Avata 360 is reportedly integrating the next evolution of its sinew-hoop-style safety features, including a new force-sensor obstacle avoidance system. This isn't just basic front and back sensing. Leaks point to the inclusion of front-facing LiDAR and visual cameras that provide a superior level of omnidirectional sensing, especially at high speeds. This combination makes high-speed flight safer, and critically, it allows the drone to perform advanced, reliable subject tracking for action sports or vehicle follow-cams, even in complex environments. The entire experience is tied together by the rumored OcuSync 4.0 transmission, pushing the maximum transmission range to an almost unbelievable 20 kilometers, and ensuring the lowest possible latency for the new DJI Goggles N3 or Goggles 3. This low latency is essential for the 360